Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Daily Pod. I am Alex.
And I am Sam. We are so happy to have you here with us today.
Today, we are talking about something we all have to do. We are talking about daily tasks. These are the small things we do at work and at home every single day.
That is right. Whether it's answering emails or doing the laundry, tasks are everywhere. It's a very useful topic because we talk about these things all the time in real life.
Exactly. Before we dive into the details, if you want to make English a part of your daily routine, make sure to like this episode and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, please subscribe and hit the bell. When you subscribe, you show us that you are serious about your learning journey. It helps you stay consistent, and it helps us keep making these lessons for you.
Great. Now let's get started with our daily tasks.
So, Alex, you look a bit tired today. Did you have a lot of tasks this morning?
I really did, Sam. I woke up at 6 a.m. and my to-do list was already long. I had to check my messages, feed the dog, and get ready for this recording.
Wow, that is a busy start. I also had a lot to do. I had to finish some paperwork before I left the house.
Paperwork? That sounds boring.
It is a bit boring, but it's a daily task that I cannot avoid. If I don't do it today, it becomes a bigger problem tomorrow.
That makes sense. I usually feel better when I finish my tasks early.
Me too. It feels like I can relax more in the afternoon. What about you? Do you prefer doing tasks in the morning or the evening?
I'm definitely a morning person. I like to get things done and then enjoy my coffee.
Let's look at some basic questions about tasks. Alex, what is the first task you do every day at work?
The first thing I do is check my emails. I usually have about 20 or 30 new messages every morning.
30 messages. That's a lot. Do you reply to all of them immediately?
No, I usually just look for the important ones first. What about you, Sam? What is a task you do every day at home?
I always wash the dishes after breakfast. I hate seeing a dirty kitchen. It's a simple task, but it makes me feel organized.
I agree. A clean space helps me think. Do you find it hard to manage your daily tasks?
Sometimes, when I have too many things to do, I feel a bit stressed. I have to write everything down on a list.
Writing it down really helps. It's much easier to see what's important and what can wait.
Let's talk more about work tasks. For example, meetings. Do you have a lot of meetings in your schedule?
I usually have 2 or 3 meetings a week. Preparing for meetings is a big task. I have to create slides and check the data.
That sounds like it takes a lot of time. In my job, I have to make a lot of phone calls. Calling clients is my main task in the afternoon.
Do you like making phone calls?
It depends. Some clients are very friendly, others are very busy, so I have to be quick.
I understand. One of my hardest tasks is writing reports. It requires a lot of focus. I usually try to do that when the office is quiet.
Good idea. What about running errands? Do you do that during your lunch break?
Sometimes I might go to the post office or pick up some groceries. It is good to leave the office for a bit.
I agree. It's a nice break from the screen. Talking about groceries, do you go every day?
I usually go once or twice a week. Shopping for food is a task I actually enjoy. I like looking for new things to cook.
That is nice. I usually do the grocery shopping on Saturdays. It's a big task because I have to plan the meals for the whole week.
Planning is a task in itself. If I don't plan, I just eat pasta every night.
Pasta is good, but variety is better. Speaking of home tasks, how do you handle cleaning?
I try to do a little bit every day. For example, I vacuum the floor on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
That is a good system. I usually do a deep clean on the weekend. I spend about 2 hours cleaning the bathroom and the kitchen.
2 hours? That's a long time. But I guess it stays clean for the rest of the week.
Exactly. It's all about finding a routine that works for you.
I also have a task for my personal growth. I try to read for 20 minutes every night before bed.
Oh, that's a great habit. Is it hard to find the time?
Sometimes I'm tired, but I tell myself it's a priority. I put it on my list just like a work task.
That is a smart way to think about it. If we don't treat our hobbies as tasks, we might never do them.
Exactly. Everything we do is a task, but some are more fun than others.
Let's look at some useful phrases we used in our conversation.
Our first phrase is to-do list. This is a list of things you need to do. Example, I have 10 items on my to-do list today.
Next is run errands. This means going out to do small tasks, like going to the bank or the store. Example, I need to run some errands this afternoon.
Then we have catch up on. This means to do something that you did not have time to do before. Example, I need to catch up on my emails.
Another one is prioritize. This means to decide which task is the most important. Example, you should prioritize the urgent tasks first.
We also mentioned check off. This is what you do when you finish a task on your list. Example, I love checking off tasks from my list.
Next is deadline. This is the time or date when a task must be finished. Example, the deadline for this report is Friday.
Then we have household chores. These are tasks like cleaning or washing at home. Example, my least favorite household chore is ironing.
We used busy schedule. This means you have a lot of things to do and not much free time. Example, I have a very busy schedule this week.
Another phrase, take a break. This means to stop working for a short time to rest. Example, let's take a break and get some tea.
Finally, productive. This means doing a lot of useful work. Example, I had a very productive morning today.
Okay, let's quickly review. A to-do list helps you organize your day.
When you have many things to do, you need to prioritize.
If you have a busy schedule, you might need to catch up on work later.
Don't forget to take a break so you can stay productive.
And when you finish something, you can check it off your list.
Whether it is work tasks or household chores, it feels good to get things done.
Now it is your turn to practice. I will ask a question and you try to answer it. You can even pause the audio to speak.
Ready? Here's the first one. What is one task you do every single morning?
You could say, I always make my bed, or I always check my phone.
Great. Next question. Do you prefer working on a computer or doing physical tasks?
You could say, I prefer working on a computer because it's faster, or I prefer physical tasks because I like to move.
Now, here is our question of the day. We want to hear from you.
What is the first thing on your to-do list every day?
Please write your answer in the comments. We love reading about your daily lives, and it's a great way to practice your English.
Just one sentence is enough. Go ahead and type it now.
We have reached the end of our lesson on daily tasks.
It was a lot of fun. Remember, talking about your day is one of the best ways to practice English naturally.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video and subscribe to Mr. English DailyPod.
Every like and subscription helps us grow and keep providing these lessons for you.
Thank you for listening and for being part of our community.
See you in the next episode. Have a productive day.
Goodbye, everyone.